In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Lovable AI subscription. First, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are inside Settings, click on Plans and Credits. From here, you will see your current plan. Click on it and then click on Manage. Now select Invoices and Payments. This will take you to the page where you can manage or cancel your subscription. On this page, you will see the Cancel Subscription option. Click on it. Lovable will then show you a message letting you know that your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Go ahead and click on Cancel Subscription again to confirm. Once confirmed, you will see a green check mark letting you know that your Lovable subscription has been successfully canceled. That is how you do it.